What's up, guys? So we're gonna be cooking literally the easiest and most hearty meal that you can cook on a day hike, 3-night stay. Easily fits in your pack. About 800 calories between both of these. Extremely cheap. This costs about 78 cents. This is about $1, or at least that was 3 years ago when I bought it. Today it's probably triple that. But you know, it's a cheap thing. These last for 3 years. This lasts for about 2 years. So it works just as good as your freeze-dried meals that are going to cost you anywhere from $7 to $15. So this is definitely a great cheap alternative. And let's get into this. Make sure you edit out the juices. And the second amount that I put in.
Yeah, why did you not get it all?
Because I was going to say in the voiceover, oh, I'll save some for later. Let's get Josh to taste test this.
Hold it up slower, bro. I can't actually see the label.
You're going to have to cut what you're saying out.
I know.
Yeah, but you're not going to cut what I'm saying out. So much.
Is it ready?
Yeah, you ready to taste test?
Sure.
All right, bro.
What is this again?
Cholula. It's good, man. Just...
Oh my god, that's hot! You betrayed me.
You don't like Cholula?
That's not Cholula.
You taste anything anymore, though?
Can I have some water?
Nah, dude. We just ran out.
Can I drink that water?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, you got to rate it for us, Josh.
Okay, if I had to rate it, that's probably like a 7.5. Is it hot in here?
It's not out here.
It's like 85 out.
It's so hot.
Yeah. Just look at this.
Jared, you ruined that.
I totally was hungry as all get out, and I dumped half the bottle in here on accident.
Did you even cook that chicken?
How bad is it, Josh?
It's great.
It's pretty good.